Shiba inu token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Shiba inu price update. What surprise changes occur in the Shiba inu. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please guys make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. First of all, guys, if we talk about the price of Shiba inu, so you can see here 0.0008 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Shiba inu in the market. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Shiba inu, so these all changes goes positive in the market, guys. I'm very happy to see these all changes. And obviously, guys, after 2 months I found Shiba inu positive. So this means that after a long time, after a long fast, Shiba inu start pumping. So now there's opportunity for all of you to buy Shiba inu, guys. And I'm still holding 2.5 billion Shiba inu token, guys, and my plan is fixed that I'm going to sell at the last of 2021, guys. So if you are a holder, very congrats. And if you want to buy, so now the price is very cheap. Buy now. 7.8% the price pump from 1st October. You can see from October the price start pumping, guys. And as I predicted Shiba inu in my previous videos, so same, my prediction is going right about Shiba inu. So guys, please subscribe now our channel for more accurate price prediction update. Please subscribe now. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video.